I received this Google Swags from Google Cloud. It's looking awesome. Hi friends, this is Akshay and welcomes you all on this channel of Career Edge, and today I am going to show you the unboxing of the Google Swag which was gifted to me from Google. And you can see here the tag Akshay Kumar Singh, and it is shipped from Karnataka, Bangalore, from Google office. If you wants to know how I get this swag, you just see this video, which link I put in this description. I need to complete this 8 badges, and after that Google have some prizes, and it is need to complete before 5th November. And as I completed Google Cloud track, so I received this. But if you want to receive all of these, so you need to complete both the tracks of Google Cloud and also of Google AI. So let's unpack this packet. Also, you need to watch this full video so you have a proper idea how I get this, and I also share the successful story of getting this. And next time when this Google Cloud 30 days of Google Cloud came, so this is a program of 30 days of Google Cloud, and you can see here I receive a sticker and also a t-shirt. You can see the Google Cloud sticker and also the 4 stickers related to Google Cloud. So now I am going to show you the t-shirt which I received from Google. As from the look, it is looking awesome. So let's unpack this and let's see how is the quality. But for me, the quality of this t-shirt doesn't matter. The matter is the Google Cloud t-shirt. This is the first swag, the first thing which I received from a Google. So it's looking so awesome and I am really very excited. So let's see how is this. Oh, nice look. And you can see the 4 stickers which are on that sticker slip was also here. And here it is like that all some goodies are playing and they need to go. You can see here I am going to match with the sticker slip, but firstly see this Google Cloud. This is really awesome. I like very much this. This is very awesome. I doesn't mention in the words. So let's match with the stickers. You can see all the stickers here which are on the sticker slip and also Google Cloud logo, and this is looking really very awesome. So you need to complete, this is a very easy labs there, and when you complete all of this, I completed total 8 labs. I am unable to complete second track of AI, so I doesn't receive the full swag box which is included of some laptop bag and also 2 t-shirts are there. But I received this, so this is very awesome that I received this. So I'm going to try this. The quality of this t-shirt is very good. So let's look how is this looking. You can see here Google Cloud logo on my shoulder, and this is, so I'm really very excited and it's looking pretty good. You can see here, and I am with a new haircut. This is because of some reason. So you can see this is looking very awesome. एंड एट द लास्ट इसे पहनकर तो कॉलेज जाने में और मजा आएगा. सो आई एम वेटिंग फॉर द कॉलेज ओपनिंग. एंड वाई यू आर वेटिंग, यू जस्ट सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल बिकॉज आई एम always ready with this type of information, and also like and share with your friends.